deciding what weld is right for you. We've got three main options: our MIG welder, our stick welder and our TIG welder. And depending on what you're doing, each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Our MIG welder is good for a wide range of materials, good for thin and thick material, and can be used gas or gasless depending on your requirements. Our stick welder is a cheap option. It's cheap to buy, cheap consumables, not so good on thin material, but very good portability and on-site. And then our TIG is a good option for stainless and aluminium, as well as very thin, precise welding. This is an example of stick welding. We're using a 3.2mm general purpose electrode to weld 6mm mild steel plate. This is an example of MIG welding. We're using a solid wire with a shielding gas, and we're welding 3mm mild steel plate. This is an example of TIG welding. We're using a DC TIG to weld 1.6mm stainless steel sheet. In the coming videos, we'll go over the advantages and benefits of each machine and discuss what's the best starting point for a beginner wanting to learn to weld, depending on your applications.